Hey folks, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you a very useful guide on how to change the password in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So without any further ado, let's get started. Firstly, we need to bring up our settings. So by that, please navigate to the button search bar and here type for settings. Sorry for that. So we just have to wait until a best match would appear in this window, and once it's here, please click on the open option to continue. So eventually you would be able to bring up the settings. You can also press Windows key and I key together, and in that way you would be able to open up the settings window. Here, please proceed directly at the left side of that, locate for the option called accounts. And under the accounts, you need to locate for the account settings where you can see the sign in options being placed at the second of the list. So please click on it, and in that way you would be able to see all of the sign in options that includes the ways to sign in and additional settings. So in order to show the password, all you need to do is you need to ensure that this one is off. Okay? This one is off. The moment you've turned it off, you would be able to see the password here. Okay, because if you would turn it on, and if you will go back to the accounts section, and if you will go to the sign in options, you won't be able to see the password here. So that's why I'm saying that it's very important to turn it off before you can proceed to the changing of the password in your Windows. So navigate to the accounts again, and from here click on the sign in options, and you will be able to see the password. So click on this down arrow key, and you will be able to see changed here. I am all set. Okay, you just have to click on changed, and we just have to wait until this loading process would be finished, okay, before we can proceed. So if something went wrong, click on retry. Okay, something went wrong. Why? Because I have actually set my pin here, not the password. But if you, in your case, you would be able to continue. So just let me just click on retry once again. Okay, so let me just wait for it. So the reason why I'm not able to access it because I have set a pin actually, okay, not in the password. So just have to bring up my pin here. Okay, just have to click on change on the password, not on this one. So you would be able to see a window like this, similar to this. All you need to do is you need to type your current password. Okay. Again, I'm just showing you how to change the password, not to change the pin. And since I'm not able to access the password window where I am able to change my password, since I don't have set the password in the first place, since I have set a pin instead. You need to proceed to the password option instead and not on this pin, since I'm just teaching you how to change that. So go with the pin. Sorry, password. Just type your current password, type your new password here, the new password that you would like to modify or that you would like to set in your Windows 11 PC or laptop, and confirm that by typing your new password. So click on OK. And once you're good, close all of the windows and restart the computer. The moment you've restarted it, you would be able to sign in your new password to launch your Windows 11 PC again. Okay? So that's it. If you think this video helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day.